How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Makers Muse. My name is Angus, and if it looks like I've been punched in the face, that's because mosquitoes seem to like eating my face. Behind me, I have my original workshop. If you remember one of my very early videos here on Makers Muse, I did a video on setting up a compact workshop. That was a long time ago. Now it's pretty much full of a lot of crap and old projects. I'm not even sure what's in here, so I thought I need to clear this out to get started on fresh videos for Makers Muse, so let's may as well make a vlog video on it, but also in true tinkerer's fashion and procrastinating fashion, anything cool I find I'm going to put aside, and let's see if we can make a project out of stuff I find in here. Let's get started. This is pretty interesting. This is my industrial design final project folio. So at UTS for 4th year, one of your projects was to create a folio that you would take to potential clients to show them off your work. I kind of went overboard. I decided to laser cut this entire thing out of bamboo ply and walnut. It actually looks really nice. Now it's a little bit dinged up now, but I spent ages with oils, and the gears even turn on this thing. They even spin. But in terms of practicality, yeah, you don't want a A3 folio. So any of you guys in university doing a folio project, make it A5. Right, so some of you guys may also disagree. These blue things that hang on pegboards, I always found them to be completely useless. However, I do find these things, these storage containers, to be very handy. So I'm going to go through those and find out what's in them and sort that out. This is Fugu, which is one of my very old beetle weights, built in about 2 days before the competition. The idea is that nothing could get close to it because it had these, spikes, which then bent and got itself stuck on them. But that still works, and those still work, so I may as well pull them out, and I could probably do something cool with that. Now this one's pretty cool. This is a LCD screen I bought off some random kid a very long time ago. It does work, and it's fairly decent resolution. Well, I hope it still works. That's the backlight driver on the interface. So that's everything's still there. So that could be an interesting start for a project. Robot combat stuff. Tools. What have I left here? Okay, that no longer. Oh, there it goes. Excellent. Okay, we've got a hot air gun. That's one of my staples. Jigsaw. That's very sad. I've hacked in lithium nanophosphate batteries into it. Oh dear. I think they may be stuffed. Scroll saw. Home invasion defense. Oh, hold on. Bits of stuff. G10. Actually, interesting fact, this stuff is what most print beds are made from, so like the Robox and the Cubicon and most of these new machines use G10 or Garolite fiberglass for their beds. Also makes really good robot combat stuff for like the lower weight classes. This is kind of cool. I found my casting supplies, and this is a wheel I made. So a really nice soft urethane. But the hub's 3D printed, and the original mold was 3D printed as well. You might be able to see the ridges on the edge. So an interesting little bit of drill bit 101 here. These are 3 different types of drill bits. This is standard high-speed steel of the Chinese variety. Cheap crap. Heat it up too much, it's going to go blunt straight away. So put that there. This is, again, Chinese variety with so-called titanium coating. Means absolutely nothing if you're drilling anything other than wood, and it will just pretty much die straight away. These are what you want. This is a cobalt drill bit. This is rated for much higher temperatures, so you can smash through steels, hardened steels, stainless steel, and it will not go blunt as quickly as the other two. These are obviously much more expensive than the other two, so if you happen to find any drill bits with that colour all the way down to the shank, then hold on to them. And of course, just you have stuff like this, which is a box of 100 linear slides. So much rubbish. How's this for a blast from the past? It's a Futaba Sky Sport 4-channel FM radio, which was my first ever radio for my robots. It cost me like $250. It was a combined birthday Christmas present like 12 years ago, 10 years ago. Of course, FM uses crystals, and I found this, which was at the time the smallest. So you can focus, the smallest receiver you could get for your ultralight aircraft, and I use this for small robots. And it even has the crystal, and I checked, and it's the same crystal as is in the radio, 36.53. So if it works, there's my radio, which I can use for some sort of remote control thing, because of course all my good 2.4 gig stuff is on its way from Perth. Alright, I think I have hit the mother load with this box. This is all my old insect class combat robot stuff. Except, of course, I took all the useful speed controllers out. So there's no speed controllers in here, but there is hacked servos, which do continuously rotate, which I think I can get away with using. So I think we're on the track to making something remote control. So I found this windscreen wiper motor, which goes sort of shoop, 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 which could be interesting, and I found this, which is a staple gun. Not too bad. But yeah, how about this? Well, I think it's pretty clear what we're going to be building now. Gun turret.